Hi viewers, my name is K. Suresh from 2nd BBA in KCS Kastner College of Arts and Science. Today see the topic is collective bargaining, industrial dispute and strike. Meaning of collective bargaining. Collective bargaining is a process of negotiation between employers and a group of employees aimed at agreement to regulate working salaries, working conditions, benefits and other aspects of workers' compensation and rights for workers. Objectives of collective bargaining: to foster and maintain cordial, harmonious and relation between the employer, management and the employees, to protect the interest of both the employer and the employees, to keep the outside the government intervention at bay, to promote industrial democracy. Process of collective bargaining: preparation, discuss, propose, bargain and settlement. Importance of collective bargaining: increase the economic strength and union and management, establish uniform conditions of employment with a view to avoiding industrial dispute and maintaining stable peace in the industry, secure a promote and fair settlement of grievances, avoid interruption in work which follow strike, go slow tactics and similar coercive activity, lay down fair rates of wages and norms of working conditions, achieve an efficient operation of the plant, promote the stability and prosperity of the industry. Meaning of industrial dispute: the Industrial Disputes Act defined as dispute of difference between workmen and employers or between workmen and workmen which is connected with employment or non-employment or the terms of employment or with the condition of labor. Definition of industrial dispute: the Dispute Act 1947 extend the whole of India and regulated Indian labour law so far as the concerned trade union as well as individual workmen employed in any industry within the territory of Indian mainland, enacted on 11 March 1947 and it came into force 1st April 1947. Nature of industrial dispute: industrial conflict is human conflict. Huge are higher wages and profit. Conflict among workers and employers. Limitation of the system. Labor power. Conflict of interest. Profit maximization. Causes of industrial dispute: economic causes, managerial causes, government machinery, voluntary arbitration, wages board, joint management council, other causes. Types of industrial dispute: interest dispute, grievance dispute or right dispute, recognition dispute, unfair labor practice dispute. Causes of strikes in HRM: strikes can occur because of the following reasons: dissatisfaction with company policy, salary and incentive problems, increment not up to the mark, wrongful discharge or dismissal of workmen, withdrawal of any concern or privilege, hours of work and rest intervals, leaves with wages and holidays. Resolution of industrial dispute: industrial dispute can be resolved by way of adjunction settlement of an industrial dispute by labor court of industrial tribunal. The appropriate government may be refer a dispute to adjunction depending on the failure of conciliation proceeding. Thank you to everyone see this video.